Hello class and welcome back. In this exercise, we are going to write a program named comments that displays a statement that defines program comments. Include at least one block comment, one line comment, and one right line statement in the program. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. On line one, we're going to be using system, using static system.console. We're going to have a class, I believe it was called comments. Oh, open curly brace. We're going to have a main method, public static void main. And we are going to create these comments, right? So the first comment we're going to do is a block comment. Now a block comment is going to be a forward slash and an asterisk. And notice that everything after that turns green. So a block comment is this line is a comment. This line is a comment. And when you keep going down, it's going to keep adding these asterisks, right? But this is the last block comment. If we do a asterisk and then another forward slash, that's like closing the comment. So notice that these are no longer green. So that's a block comment. And then we're going to have one called a line comment. This is a line comment. And we're going to have a right line statement here. It's going to say this is processed by the program. And this, I believe that's it. Displays statement that defines program comments. Okay, so we have to define the program comments, include at least one block comment, one line comment, and one right line statement. So I think that's all they're looking for is the block comment, the line comment, and a right line statement. And comments are very, very, very helpful. It's really a pain to keep track of everything if you don't do comments to let yourself know. Because I've written programs and I've come back later and I have failed to write the comments, and it took me a while to figure out where I was, what I did last, things like that. But you can write comments just about every couple of lines to tell yourself what you did, what you're going to do. Um, and the block comment is great for writing notes to other people. Like you could do something like title of your um, title of your program, comments. You could do something like author of your program, Mr. B. So you can kind of write this block comment to sign your work, so to speak. And I think it's really helpful to do. All right, so block comment, line comment, and then another right line. We're good with right lines right now. Okay, let me know if you have any issues. Another thing is that comments are not processed when the program runs. Only the stuff outside the comments are, and that's going to help you out. Let me know if you have any issues, and we'll see you in the next video.